Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do some little tricks with Google Sheets for some of the stuff that I've done, how to merge cells, how to center a line horizontally and vertically, and how to do word wrap. Now, you'll notice on these cells here, there's a little bit of room, but if students type more than one cell can fit, it's going to start overlapping into others. If you want to do something a little bit larger, what you can do is you can select a large group of cells, and there's a function right here which has two cells with an arrow that says merge cells. If you click on that, you're going to essentially turn them into one cell that you can actually do a lot of typing on. Now I'm going to select that one, and up here in the function box, I'm going to be typing out this thing here. So I have a very long piece of text here, but you'll notice that even though I have this large area, it hasn't filled it up. So what you can do here is you'll select that cell, and what you're going to do is you're going to go right here where it says text wrapping. I'm going to change that. So right now it's going into overflow where anything extra goes into the next cell. I'm going to change that into word wrap. Now everything that I've done here is going to essentially fit inside that cell. If you have something that's in a smaller cell, it's going to make that cell much, much, much larger. Like let's say I try to do it here, and I try to do word wrap on that one, it's going to turn it into a very, very long cell. So something like that is probably better to do first to merge so you have a little bit larger of an area. Now, you'll notice this is kind of formatted a little weird. I end up having a lot of dead space. So what I can do is I can select this cell. I can go here and change it from left align to center align. But if I want to center it there as well, then what I'm going to do is right here, it's vertical align. And I can do top align, middle align, and bottom align. I like to do middle align because it kind of uses the space a little bit more. That way if you're to go bold, or if you're to try to make it a little bit larger there, now you've used that cell a little bit more efficiently. So the areas that you're going to want to use right up here is my merge cells. That's how I can do that. If I want to move the text in there, line it up all in the middle, I go here to center align. If I want to make sure that anything overflows goes up there, I want to change that to wrapping. And if I want to make sure it's in the middle, right now it's a small cell, but if I were to make it larger, it's at the bottom. Here I can change that to center align. So all the little things that you need are merge cells, horizontal align, vertical align, and text wrapping.